Little break. Wow. Talaga. Pagod na ako. Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. We're currently riding the Bulldozer trail here at Pangpang, Sorsogon City. This is the day after Bagyo. So let the punchy climb begin. Morning po. Kapoy. Pagod na ako. Okay guys, now we're at top. I'm just going to take a bit of rest, then I'll set the bike up to go downhill. Let's go. Rides lang. I'll only ride 50% of my pace so that we could be safe. Okay. Okay. A lot of speed there. Okay. Now here. Okay. Okay. Here's the pipe. Yes talaga. Okay. Yes talaga. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Brake a little bit here. Go inside, not on the ruts. Okay, good. Let it loose here. Let's go inside. I want to go inside. Oh. Nice. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. And then it's a climb. Okay. This is the fast section of the Bulldozer trail. Okay. Morning po. Solo lang po. Okay. Last section here. Let's go wide here. This is a lot smoother, but still rough. As you can see, into the rocks. Pump here. Okay. Okay. Slow a little bit. Slow a little bit. I'll go inside here. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Okay, there is a little jump. Pedal, pedal. Okay, so down. There's a carabao. Oh, my speed. Oh, Aggie. Aggie. No, no. Okay. Yep. He's not. Pedal, pedal, pedal. I'll go wide here. Okay, rocks. Rock. More rocks. Ruts. Nice. Transfer. Whew. Ah. Okay. Okay, here. Oh, big rocks. Okay, pedal on the left, on the right. Okay, let's go into the grass. Smoother here. Okay. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, small jump. Let's go inside. Nice, nice line. Pedal, pedal. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. There you go. Forgot. Okay. Wait. Let's sit down for a second here. Okay. 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 Okay, go high. Go high. Here we go. Little break. Bike. Hello. Aggie. No, please don't bite. Thank you. There's a lot of dogs here. Okay. Then we're done. That was the Bulldozer Trail here at Pangpang, Sorsogon City. And this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what should I improve, because every day is improvement day. Peace out. Grabe. Kapagal. Kabilis pero kapagal.